Hello, welcome to my channel once again, and in today's tutorial we're going to look at how to use VLOOKUP. So VLOOKUP is a powerful tool in Excel or Microsoft Excel that is used to search for records. So basically VLOOKUP simply means vertical lookup. So it searches data in a vertical manner, or it searches records in a vertical manner. So this data set that you see here is employee ID, their names, that's the first and second name. Then we also have their SNIT number. So assuming you want to search for a particular employee and their SNIT number, you can do so by using VLOOKUP. So depending on which of them that we want to use as our criteria to search, we can do so. So maybe I'll use the employee ID as the search criteria. So first of all, I'll create a list of the employee numbers. So to create a list, you go to, so I'll select the cell P2 and I go to data, then data validation. So drop down data validation and select data validation. By default, any cell in Excel takes any value, or all the cells in Excel takes any value. But to create a specific list, then you need to drop down and select list. Then you go to the source. So source is where you provide the source that you want to create your list from. So I'll just click in it and type equal to. Basically, you can create your list here. Assuming maybe I want to create a list for just yes or no, I can type them here and press OK. But in this training, we want to select the source from the cell A2 and below. So I'll just type equal to, then I select A2, then select all under A2, then I press on OK. So this creates what? A list of all the staff IDs here. So basically you see that you can get a list of all the staff IDs. So let me name this to list or staff IDs. Right. So in the second, that will be the search or VLOOKUP. Right. So based on the ID that I select here, it will tell me the employee SNIT number or employee SSN number. Okay. So now let's type our VLOOKUP function. So equal to VLOOKUP, then you open your brackets. So VLOOKUP takes 4 parameters. The first one is the lookup value. That is the value that you are looking up. So in this case, we are looking up for the staff ID, which we intend provide the employee SSN. So that will be the first parameter. So that is where we created the list. So we will just click on where we created the list. And the second parameter is the table array. So the table array simply means the area that contains the data. So array means, records or data, right? Then the third parameter is the column where you want to, get what you are looking for. So in this case, we are searching for employee SSN. So this becomes the column that we are searching the records at. Okay, then the fourth parameter is the range lookup. So either you want a specific match or you want an exact match. Either you want an approximate match or an exact match. So I'll select the lookup value from the list that we created, then comma followed by the table array. So I'll select everything from here. So this becomes the table array. Then the column index number. So counting from A, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So the column that we want to get the data from is column 4, that is ABCD. So I will just type 4 there, then another comma. Then we either choose approximate match or exact match. So true means approximate match and false means exact. So I will choose exact match. All right. Then I close the bracket and press on enter. So why we are getting NA is because we've not selected anything here. And to get rid of this error, or to show something meaningful to a user who is using this simple search tool that we've created, we can wrap the entire formula or the entire function in another function called if error. Okay, so I'll just type if error. So if error, then you open a bracket, then after the last bracket of the main function, which is this one, you just type comma. So if error, what do you want to output to the user? So I want to tell the user to select an ID or to select a staff. Yeah, let me be specific, a staff ID. And because this is a text, it needs to be wrapped inside quotes. That is why you see quotes around it. Then you close the bracket. So what this will do is that when you don't select anything here, instead of seeing NA, you get a meaningful word that tells you what to do. Okay, so I'll just press on enter. So now you see that it has given us a hint as to what to do. So now I'll select an ID. So let's say we want to see the SSN number of employee 108. Okay, so once we select it, it shows or it searches for their ID for us, their SSN for us. So I'll look for employee 149, then automatically VLOOKUP will search for the SSN of employee 149. We can confirm that by going to 149, and there is the SSN of employee 149. Let's search for employee. Let me close this a bit and open this. So let's search for employee 144. Right, so Excel gives us the SSN number of employee 144. So basically, this is how you can use VLOOKUP in Excel to create a simple search application to search for records. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and also please, if you've not subscribed, consider doing so. And don't forget to also share the channel for others to also benefit from the tutorials. See you in the next tutorial.